Hey guys, it's Bradley Chilton here. Today I'll be doing an unboxing video. Today I'll be unboxing what I got for Christmas tonight. Alright, so today I'll be unboxing is the Canon Vixia HF R800 camcorder. Yeah, I had that. Yeah, I got it for Christmas because my other one broke. So I got a new one. Alright, let's get to unboxing. Hold on. I need to unbox this. Alright. I'm trying to open this up. Oh. And this is what it looks like. Hold on. So I'm unboxing it. This is the instructions or something. Wait, this is the instructions. And this is a camcorder. This is the charge. This is the charger. This is the HDMI cable. This is, oh wait, no. That's, I forgot what this one is. This is a charger. My bad. And this is the battery for where you plug in your camcorder. Nothing else. Alright, let's sort all the charger, the instructions, the battery, camcorder, HDMI cable, and a USB. Alright, if you like this video, please like and subscribe and comments down below. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Peace out. And have a Merry Christmas.